Come shop with me at Burlington and see what kind of new arrivals we can find, or if we can just find some really great deals. It is kind of rainy out today, so I figured going inside and shopping around would be a great way to spend the day. When I first walked in, I thought this was part of a clearance area and then realized that this was Valentine's Day products. So here's this bracelet by Vantage, and then I realized it said men's bracelet. So this men's bracelet is going for $14.99. Now let me show you this bracelet. It's by Elements, and the little charms actually look like little clovers, and it does have cubic zirconia, and this one is going for $11.99. Here we have a heart-shaped jewelry box, and when you feel it, it has a very velvety feel to it. And look at this, when you open it up, not only do you get the jewelry, which I find this set to be stunning, it also lights up, so it's got a great feature. And this one is only $12.99. They have others, so let me show you a few more jewelry pieces, like these dangling earrings, absolutely beautiful. And these are going for $12.99 as well. And let me show you just a few more, and then we'll move on to something else, like this pretty little bracelet that comes with a pair of earrings. Here we have another necklace with a pair of earrings, and that one actually has a pink stone. And this one has 5 pair of earrings, and these again are all going for $12.99. So let's see if we can find some other unique pieces. Now, as you can tell, they have jewelry all over the place, but I did find this bracelet with this heart charm on it, and this one is going for $14.99. Let's look at this next set. If you like watches, I thought this was a beautiful set. You get the watch and a bracelet, and this is $22.99, and this one is by Ellen Tracy. And along with the copper tone one, they also have this silver toned one, but this one comes with a bracelet and a pair of earrings for $22.99. And this one is by Jessica Simpson. You can see the gold tone with rhinestones all over it, and this is going for $24.99, and this one includes a bracelet. Now, I was surprised to see a few clearance items still carrying over from the holiday season. So like this little jar of hand soap, this is going for $2.49, and it does have the shape and design of a carousel. And even though this is carryover from the holiday season, it does have those different hues of pink, and this would definitely work for Valentine's Day as well. And this little tin is by the Luxury Bathing Company, and it has body wash, a bath fizzer, body cream, and hand and nail cream. And this one's only $4.99. Now here's a bath duo set. This one contains body butter and a scrub set, and these are going for $4.99. And even though there wasn't a lot of clearance products on this table, what I did find was priced really low. So this pajama set was only $10.69. Okay, I'll show you one more item that I saw on the clearance table, which was probably my favorite find. Look at this vase with this holiday foliage. It's absolutely stunning. It is artificial, but it just had a very realistic look to it. This was only $9.99. And I'll back up just a little so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, so let's head over to the handbags. Now this one caught my attention. This one, of course, is pink, and it does have a little heart charm on it. This is $27.99, and it is by Juicy Couture. Now I am seeing the stud designs a lot lately, so if you haven't seen my Macy's video recently or even Dillard's, go ahead and go back and watch those, and you'll be able to see the handbags that do have a lot of those stud designs. Okay, so here we have another Juicy Couture, and as you can tell, the handbag charms are not going anywhere. Here we have some with the J and the little heart and a bow. And as you can tell, this one has the purse handle as well as the long strap, and this one was going for $22.99. Let me show you a few more handbags, and then we may end up having to come back to this area because there were a lot of people coming in, and it was really loud today. Here we have a Guess handbag. Again, this is pink, so this would be perfect for Valentine's Day, whether you're going out or you want to gift it. So this Guess handbag is going for $34.99. Okay, so I found 2 more Guess handbags, which I thought were very pretty. They come in a black and a brown. You can see the gold chain, and it also has the long strap. These are going for $37.99. And let me bring these up side by side so that you can see what they look like. Now let's head over to the shoe department. Here we have some Reeboks. These are going for $34.99. And if you're anything like me, I decided to jump back into more of an exercise routine, so I'm definitely on the hunt for some new shoes. And as you saw, those Pumas were $37.99. I thought these were really nice. These are by Juicy Couture. They have that UGG-inspired look, so they have that faux fur right at the ankle. And these are going for $23.99. And look at these boots. These are by Karl Lagerfeld, and I'll bring these up a little closer so that you can see some of the detail. But look at the shoelaces. They're covered in charms and little gold chains and gems. I thought these were absolutely stunning. And these were going for $49.99. And I did find a pair of sneakers where the shoelaces also have gems on them. These are by GBG, and these are $26.99. Now, I thought these slip-on heels were absolutely stunning. Look at the bow. They are covered in rhinestones and pearls, and these were only $19.99. If these were my size, I would have grabbed them. I put them on the shelf so that you can get a better look at them. Now, I did find a fun pair of high tops. I'll bring these up a little close. These have the little Minnie Mouse face on them with a little gold chain, and these were going for $24.99. Now, I did find these fun slippers. These are also by Karl Lagerfeld. I will bring these up a little close so that you can see the detail. You can see the faux fur on the inside and over the top. Again, these are by Karl Lagerfeld, and these are going for $29.99. Okay, so let's go ahead and head over to the women's department, and let's see if we can find some fun clothing. Now, I did run into this top. This is $12.99. This is by Rio and Rian, and you can see the little stud design right around the shoulder. And I'll bring that up close so that you can see the texture of the fabric. Now, I did find this really pretty sweater with the little bows. This was only $10.99. It's by the NY collection. And as you can see, the little rhinestones that gather in the middle of the bow. And again, this was only $10.99. And here we have a Guess sweatshirt. This is going for $26.99. And this has more of the gold rhinestones, and then along the side, the other gold embellishments. Okay, so here I found an actual Valentine's Day sweater with the XOXO on the heart. This is $12.99. And jumping over to this little blazer with a gold zipper. This is by Anne Klein, and this is going for $39.99. Now, I fell in love with this skirt. It flares down at the bottom, but as you can tell, there's little sparkles within the fabric itself. It does come with a belt, and this was only $14.99. Now, I did find another skirt with a similar style where it actually flares down at the bottom, or kind of ruffles actually, but this was a very soft fabric. This was only $12.99. And I'll back up so that you can see the full skirt on the hanger. Okay, so let's look at this top. I found it in white and in black, and as you can tell, it swirls and gathers right at the waistline. And this was only $12.99. And I love this rhinestone detail that they added along the hemline for the sleeveless look. And here it is in black. And I'll turn that around so that you can see what it looks like. And even though we didn't have a very cold winter, I do love looking at jackets. So here we have one that is by Guess. And I love the details on the side. This one was going for $64.99. Okay, I did find two sleeveless blouses with mock turtlenecks. I actually found them in two different brands. So this one is by New York Laundry, and I'll bring that up close so that you can see. It has a very fine ribbed design on it, and it does come in a pack of two. I wasn't able to find the price on this one, and the other one is by the US Polo Association. This one has a deeper groove on the ribbing, and this one also has the logo on each one, and this one is going for $12.99. And again, you get two of them for this price. Now, I did find this long rack of clearance. Some of them had clearance prices and some of them did not. So I'm just wondering if maybe they were still trying to catch up, or if they were just placing the products on this rack. But let me show you what they have. So this faux fur green jacket was going for $17.99. Now here we have this BB hoodie. This one was going for $14.99. So if you're interested in any of these products that I'm showing you, you may want to go to Burlington and see if they're actually marked clearance. Again, these were on this rack, but they weren't marked. So the prices are still pretty low. So here we have another BB hoodie and yet another one. This has more of a velour feel to it, and this one is $16.99. Okay, so let's go to the other side and see what we can find. Now here we have this little sweater. It almost looks like it has Christmas tinsel on it. This one is only going for $14.99. I did find this pair of faux leather pants. And I'll back it up so you can see what it looks like. These were only $5.89. I did find these jeans with the cow print on them. These were also marked on clearance for $12.29. Next, we have this black skirt with gold stud designs along the waistline. And I'll bring that up a little closer so that you can see what it looks like. And this was only going for $6.39. And I'll show you one more item off the clearance rack, and it is this blue sweater. It definitely had some weight to it. This was only $8.39. Now let's head over to the fragrances. I'm going to quickly scan through and just kind of show you what they have. Kind of like this Banana Republic sampler perfume box. There, like I mentioned earlier, there were a lot of people, which is why I'm doing the voiceover, but it really had gotten very loud. So I'm just going to quickly scan through the perfumes. If there's something that you would like me to come back and film specifically, please let me know. Or if there's more of something you would like to see, definitely let me know in the comments. But also, as a reminder, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do so, and definitely hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. And let's scan through more of the perfumes. Let me know if there's something in here that you absolutely love. And if you're looking for a Valentine's Day gift idea, perfumes and colognes definitely make a great gift. So as you can tell, they still carry Britney Spears Fantasy. They also Paris Hilton, the Sexy Vanilla. They definitely have a big variety of perfumes. Now I am going to quickly jump over to the handbags and show you a few more items. It looks like there's less people over there. Now after the holidays, it does look like they are restocking, so I did find a lot of Guess products like this backpack. It does come with a little coin bag on there. Now this does have a lock on it, but I did find a price. This one is going for $44.99. Now here's another Guess handbag, almost similar to the one that I showed you earlier, just in a different color tone, and the angle of the handbag is a little different. This one is $44.99. Now, as you can tell, they are bringing in a lot of the bright colors, like this white. This is by Steve Madden. Here's another Guess handbag. Here's a Steve Madden backpack. This one comes with a little teddy bear charm. Let me show you this handbag. It does have that woven design. This was only $9.99. And I'll show you one more handbag, and I will go ahead and let you go. This one was by Steve Madden, and it was $39.99. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.